Hi, this is Shannon Mitchell, and there's a cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV starting now.
How was your visit?
Good.
Did you have fun? What did you do?
Come here! Tell them about the trampoline. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Come over here. Come over here. They played Play-Doh and everything else. What's up, guys? It's your boy Jesse the Jackhammer. Welcome to the cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. So I am making homemade burritos tonight for supper. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I just put chicken on. We gotta let the chicken cook. So chicken's gotta cook all the way through. So when it's done, what's gonna happen is, as soon as it's done, I'm gonna shred it. As soon as I shred it, this goes through it. It's almost ready to be taken out. It's been on for a half hour now, guys. So this is not ready. Okay, that's not ready for sure. But as soon as it gets done, what's going to happen is this is going to be shredded completely in shreds, and then I'm going to take some burrito wrap, I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to roll some. I'm going to put that. And I'm going to put some cheese inside, heavy cheese. I'm going to cheese it real good on all the burritos. And I'm going to roll it real good. And I'm going to turn around and put it in the oven and let it cook for a while. So, and it's going to have a good taste to it, good flavor to it, guys. So, like I said, as soon as this gets done, we're going to do the burritos. So, we'll catch you soon. Oh, hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. I didn't even know you guys was there. Well, anyways, welcome back to the cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm shredding the chicken that I had cooked in the water there that you saw. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to have this all shredded up, and I'm going to load these burritos completely down. And it's going to be nice. We got this kind of cheese right here. What kind was that name?
I don't know. I can't say it's
Sargio?
Sarginato. I don't know.
Sarginato?
It's extra sharp cheddar.
So, sorry about the background noise. The train's coming through, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta speak up. And like I said, I'm shredding this chicken. The loud part's gone right now. So, as you see, that's what I'm doing. And it's hot.
I want to eat one right now.
It's one, Lee. She stole a piece of chicken, guys.
Can I have one?
But you want a bite? You want a bite? You want a bite?
Can I have one? Can I have one?
Feed the family first. All right, so
Yummy, yummy.
it's gonna be better in the burrito.
My phone's upstairs.
Make sure you get it on the food and me, honey. All right, so as you see, I'm burning my hands. It's got some good seasoning on it. It's gonna be good.
I really want to throw this away.
So
Yeah, I do it.
she was gonna eat it.
I was gonna throw it away. I'm done with
So anyway,
Yeah, I'm done with this one.
I've been shredding this chicken, guys. So when we come back, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry guys, I had to throw something away.
Yeah, when we come back, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be putting the fixings on the burrito wrap.
After she goes something.
So, I'll see you soon.
Hey. Nah, well, hold up now. Alright, listen. Now, I'm gonna fix this, alright? It's alright. I'm gonna take care of this. Look, I just get these late night feelings, and I just gotta call you, you know what I'm saying? But let me talk about it, come on. reminiscing on conversations I having with you. We was talking about past relations and having issues. And it's funny how we set the boat and hit the shore. The sea be pulling on us like a tug of war. Last week I got a call from your distant cousin. She was asking about you and why we always fussing. I told her things better if they left alone. 3 o'clock in the morning, we talking on the phone. I said I was tired so I can have some peace. Resisting for fighting so I just had to cease. And as I hung up, I started thinking about you. Feeling lost in myself, here I am without you. It's crazy how feelings can get the best of ya. Cause my brain is the courier, hustle messenger. Laying in bed, steady wishing and steady missing. It's all in my head and my mind be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know, reminiscing, reminiscing, yeah, something missing, reminiscing, reminiscing, something missing, yeah. Turn on my TV, all I see is loving couples. Thinking it's me and you, blinking I'm seeing doubles. Never felt this way before. All the feelings in my head, but they still come aboard. My mind's playing tricks and I ain't talking cereal. It's serious, but it feels just like a miracle. Sometimes I wonder if you ever feel the same. I start to call, but somehow I just refrain. Cause if I call, then I have to have a reason. It's 4 a.m. and I know you're probably sleeping. I press the numbers inside of my telephone screen. Is this real or is this another wet dream? I don't wanna wake you, so I left a message.
Hi guys, my name is Ruby.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Jesse the Jackhammer. Welcome back to the Cooking Show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. So the chicken is shredded. Now we're going to turn around. We're going to put the chicken in here, right in here.
We're making
Burritos.
burrito.
Good job.
But what kind of burritos?
Chicken burrito.
So we're going to put this.
Right there.
This is a raw dough, guys. This burrito wrap is raw. So I will let you all know that. That's enough. A little bit right there. That's
Now
good.
we get some
Cheese.
whatever that name is.
Okay, you get it. Tear it open. I'm gonna hold it. Tear it open inside. You get it? Wait a minute. You got it?
Wait.
Wait a minute. Let me get it on this side. Yeah. We'll get it open one way or another. It's like a wrestling match.
Spread this
Hey,
out.
it's like a keep it in the middle. We're gonna pile it up and then I'm gonna roll it.
Rolling.
Wait a minute. We won't put much on it, okay?
I'm sorry, that's just stuck in my head.
So we're gonna just a little bit, not much.
These are called
Right in the middle.
tortillas. This is what's raw right here.
Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more cheese on it. It's a little bit hard shredded. That's good. So we're gonna take one little one. Okay, right there.
Gimme.
So what we're gonna do, guys, like I said, this is raw dough.
We're gonna make a lot of
The pan's over there.
me.
Hold on a minute, I'll get it. It's glass. Okay, so we're gonna
We
take.
can go in there and get it.
Put it on the stove. On the stove. Stop dropping.
Okay, guys. We
So
got
come
the
here.
glass pan.
I got to show you how to do
You
it.
vote this side.
You go like this, you pull it back. Okay, look guys, you take your hands, you hold it right here. Like I said, this is raw dough, okay? Then as you put, wait a minute, you gotta put it back up here. Scoot it up, fold this, fold this. You're gonna like lock it, okay? Wait a minute, make sure it locks. Pull that right there, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, lock it like that, and then you're gonna take it like that, stick it because it's raw. All right, and then when you do that, you're gonna take it like this, you're gonna roll this in like that, keep that in, and then voila. And bring me the pan over here, please.
Let me
The
try.
pan, 2 hands.
The pan.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, look here. Be careful, it is glass. So, look here, this is a burrito. this will stay locked. There's closed ends. We're gonna have, I need a spray. Go get, let him, follow him. Get the spray right there, look, Bobby. Let's look at my hands. Right down to that door. Right there, go over one. Yeah,
Door.
right there. Open it up, there's a red cap. Red cap.
Red cap.
Going.
All right, get him. All
Red cap.
right, walk it over. All
Red cap. Red cap.
right, so we're gonna shake this up. Spray it like that. Basically just keeps it from sticking. It's called Pam.
Does that hurt kids' hands?
No, it will not hurt your hands. It's called Pam. So easy, 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 easy. Listen, you gotta be easy. Okay, we're gonna lay it. Watch. I'm gonna show you one time. Are you paying attention? We gotta lay it like this. It's gotta cook for a while. So we're gonna get another one. Can you get another one, Ruby? One more. Shannon.
I'm watching him.
Easy, easy, easy. Don't rip it. Don't rip it. Don't rip it. Okay, we're not gonna pat it. We can't pat it. So we're gonna lay it like this. I'm gonna roll it and let you put it in. Okay, you just can't just pick it up. You gotta treat it like a baby. Okay. All right. So we're gonna put some more chicken on it, guys.
You got to put the
And when it's
cheese
done, we're gonna put. When it's halfway done, we're gonna turn around and put cheese on top of it, and then put sour cream on it. When it's completely done. So we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese on it, Ruby.
Oh, I gotta say something. I think that tastes yummy.
Go ahead. Put her in the middle. Make sure you keep it in the middle. Cover the chicken up. We want the chicken covered up. Right, that's good. That's good.
And one more.
Right there.
Boom.
Right there. Good. So here we go, guys. We're gonna wrap this one up. Wait a minute. I'm gonna help you. I don't want this ripped. Okay. Remember what I told you? Wait a minute.
You take this, you push it back.
Okay. You pull this up.
Pull this up.
Okay. We're gonna roll this.
And lock this.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got food coming out this side. Okay. Now we're gonna roll this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You're rushing. Because what happened is it's a rip. Okay. So we're gonna take this. Okay.
Up close look, people.
All right, so we're gonna lock, when we roll this, right? We're gonna take this, we're gonna roll this, and then we're gonna take this and fold this like this, take this.
I put that one in.
That's fine. I'm gonna lock them and you put them in. How about that? All right, we're gonna keep
As
rolling.
the bird goes in.
And then we're gonna lock it right there, fold it up. Because when it's done, it's gonna actually stick together. Because like I said, it is raw dough. So we're trying to keep the chicken in.
Chicken don't exist.
I'll do it with you. I'll do it with you.
No.
It's gonna come on down to the bottom. Just listen to me. All right, next one.
Next one I do it by myself.
Okay, but you can't rush it. Don't give no attitude. Come on. Yeah, you gotta make sure you don't rip. All right, get it up here. All right, so don't pat it or nothing. I'm gonna put some chicken on it.
So go ahead and get the other one ready.
I'm gonna put some chicken on it and get it ready, and I'm gonna roll it up and lock it for him. I call it lock it because you gotta lock it, and so we're gonna lock it and we're gonna turn around and get it ready.
There's the misses. Creaky hands.
All right, so I'm getting ready to roll this up.
Don't hit me.
I hit her with the ball.
Shoot me with this thing.
It's soft.
That's it.
Cry, baby, wah, 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 wah.
Okay, that's kind of sucks. I'm talking
All right,
about
so I'm rolling this.
Poop. Throw up.
I'm rolling this. Rolling this up. When I do this, I'm going to roll this and hand this to Rui. Now, when this gets done, it will not. Lay it like that. Hold this in. Hold this in. Both ends. Both ends. Both ends. Like that. Now lay it in there.
oh boy.
There you go. Good job,
It like
Rui.
magically appeared.
Alright, so how many's left?
I don't know.
T. Get that is white. T.
Alright, so we're going to do this again.
What?
So, here we go. We're loading these chickens down with chicken.
Yes, yes. The power and I break free.
So, here we go.
I can't
This is going to have to cook for a while because, like I said, this is raw dough, guys. Thank you, son.
This is the dough, people. The dough.
Alright, so I'm locking this and I'm rolling it. Like I said, the reason why it's sticking, is because it's raw. So we gotta make sure this stays in.
That's so gross.
I get to hold the baby.
I get to touch
You
her.
can't hold her yet. She's not 3 to 4 months.
I get to touch her. You only get to touch her.
You're allowed to touch her and pat her belly.
But you're not allowed to touch.
Back.
But you're not
Can I go see
allowed.
her? Can I go
Go
see her?
in.
Can I touch my cup?
Now here.
Okay.
Can I?
There you go.
Sure.
Alright, next dough.
Next dough.
Turn it off.
Turn it off, baby.
Mommy, can I go visit the baby?
No, they're leaving. They gotta go pick up Sophia. Sophia. And do some.
Girl Scouts.
So we got 4 in there, ladies and gentlemen.
Do we have any sanitizer?
Sure did.
No, I don't want that.
Look at this cheese.
Yep. Alright, so I got this ready to go.
I had this.
It's mine.
Oh my god.
So as soon as this,
Wow, you just seriously
As
wasted my
soon
50
as-
cents water bottle.
oh, you'll live. There's more in the van. As soon as this starts melting, it will spread.
Barry, you wanna go with me? I gotta go get things from Carol, but you wanna go with me?
Alright, so here we go.
So we have 2 of our helpers are leaving. Well, I'm popping in now. They went bye-bye. Oh, you can't see. Okay, there you go. They went bye-bye.
Alright, so this is going to be cooking a little bit longer than regular uncooked dough. Yes, baby. I don't play it. Hey, you know what a remote control is to the dome? Drone? Dome.
The doom.
Dome. Where?
Guys, something really mysterious just seriously happened to us. This one particular day. I mean, like, seriously. Something horrible happened. Do we know what it was? We lost a drone. That's what it was. Yeah, we lost a drone.
Shannon.
What? What?
She can't. You have to wait a second, baby. Hold
I'm
on.
gonna adjust you all so that you can just see at least just hands. At least try to at least just to see hands. Okay, there you go. Alright, you're all just gonna be seeing hands for a little bit.
Are you kidding me, Shannon?
Really?
I've got everything to do it. Okay, it's ready.
Okay. Back with the extra 2 hands.
Means left.
I don't know. You only need 2 more or 1 more?
I'm going to do them all.
You do all?
I got this chicken, yes. Because maybe mom can have some for lunch.
Okay. Hey, can I have a cold lunch with this?
Okay.
Can I?
We'll see.
Or no? You need another pan?
Yes, I did.
Go get the other pan.
Gotta wash it. Come undone, guys. Gotta wash it. It's in the sink.
I found one.
This one? Or this one? Daddy,
That one.
this one?
Yes. Yes.
I get a pan. Can spray this pan.
Now, if we don't have that many doughs, you don't need to spray it all over. Just you count your doughs before you spray that.
Oh well, who cares? Got an extra pan, ladies. And gentlemen.
Well, I'm gonna need it now.
Oh, yours?
Yes.
Oh.
That one's full.
I'm just gonna move this pan.
All right, it's ready. It's ready to be on top of the stove. Put it on top of the stove, please.
We're coming up the house.
Okay.
Your house.
Next pan. So this is, like I said, this is not hard to do. All you gotta do is keep your chicken like right here where I got it at, right here. So you see? Keep it from the edge. Grab it like this, and when you roll it, can you make sure you can see it, Shannon? Hold on, guys. She's adjusting the camera. Okay, keep it on that. Can you see it? Yes or no? Answer me. Okay, so all you do, like I said, keep it in the middle. Because when you roll it, you're gonna have, see, when it falls, keep pushing it over. Don't be afraid to push it over. It ain't gonna kill you. Take this, fold that like I showed you from the beginning of the cooking show. Just like that. Keep rolling it, because once you roll it, it's going to lock. No ifs, ands, or buts. So there you go. See? Right there. Lock, lock.
It's right there.
There you go.
Next one. Can we get the rest of them out of here?
How many's left?
Hold on.
When I run out of chicken, I run out of chicken.
Okay. One.
So there you go. There's another one. I'm going to put light cheese on it because it will spread.
We have 4 more left.
Well, I'm going to put 2.
Maybe I can try to move this up a little bit more, don't you think?
If you can get it in there, yeah. She's adjusting the camera, guys, so bear with her.
Oh, I wish I had something on right here.
There you go. That better?
It's a little bit better.
Alright, there you go, guys. So,
You might not see a whole hunk of it, but you can see at least just like the top where you're folding it.
okay, that's what I'm saying, yeah.
Okay.
They know what I look like.
I was trying to get like the
I know I'm handsome and good looking, so they know what I look like.
Yeah, right.
My bite? Oh, wait a minute, you can eat it. It's doughy.
Maybe you can eat some chicken and some cheese.
They already got some chicken.
They need some cheese.
Wait till it gets done, guys. I'll give you a bite.
Yeah, that was funny when that one time when I was at the Mexican restaurant and tried to feed it and then they knocked it off.
I do it all the time. I would feed them.
I know, but whenever they
I
did
feed them
that,
if they was even here.
listen, no, whenever you was feeding them, right, you're feeding the camera, well, pretty much them, and then like whenever you was feeding them,
Open it up,
it
please.
fell.
You okay, Jess?
It fell. They knocked it out of your hands.
Oh no, yeah, I remember. Oh, it fell on the floor. You sure you're okay?
You want some cheese?
Feed them.
I just did.
Good job. Don't eat it because they're gonna go on top.
No, it ain't gonna. Oh my god, that's completely cheddary.
It's gonna be cheddary when it melts.
I'm watching Netflix.
That's fine. Keep it down, please.
Woo! I have never tasted that much cheddar in my whole entire life.
All right, so there we go, guys. Nice row.
I'll put it down so that I can get to see it. Alright. We're down to 2 more. Yeah, a little bit. So
There's left for those right there.
Yeah, I'll set the other one.
You got it. You can't do it on the table. Are you okay in there?
Yes.
Just gonna make more.
Remember, line it up long ways. You should be over on the camera, baby. So they can see you doing it too.
Ooh, you guys are playing with food.
I'm not playing with food.
Can I get cereal?
Are you serious?
What?
Well, see, now you know how long
Eat the
Do you
sardines.
think we'll be good enough for only one more?
No.
One bowl.
No cereal.
Dad.
No cereal.
You will eat it.
Is this be good enough for one?
Yes. That okay. No more. No. I just told you. No. I mean, this goes in the other one.
I need more cereal.
That's it. Right here.
Well, we're going out now.
That's it.
We're going out.
Oh well. It'll be fine. You just hit the cam.
Oh, I'm sorry, me too.
Check it.
It's right there. Okay, I'm gonna bring this one like right in front of them.
I won't let you do this one.
Huh?
Only
You're-
one
you're-
person can have
You're doing that one.
This one?
Yep.
Well, I have to say that.
Wait a minute. You're not doing it right now.
I just had
You're doing it on the cam. Want to see what you can do. Let's see if she can do this, guys. I got faith in her. I know she can.
Or she can't what?
Roll it.
Oh, the rolling.
Just like that. Where it's completely closed up, basically.
That's all we're done with it. And Kim was done. Okay.
Alright.
So maybe
Your
do
shot.
this on the plate. Okay.
Alright, here's Shannon. She's going to do her own.
Hello. Okay. So, I'm gonna roll it. If I can get
Why
it to
do
be
my sardines?
Okay.
Now I showed you. Remember? Pull the food back.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna bend over. Excuse me? Hi guys.
I'm gonna do a little bit different with this.
Now I want it folded in.
It will be
Fold it all in. All of it. You cannot have nothing hanging over.
some baby.
Alright, there's Shannon's.
Guys, that was like the last one. No more tortillas.
So we're ready to rock and roll.
Ready to put these in the oven. Oven's
Don't you dare. You use that
Protect you first.
for your hands.
Okay, the oven's set for 350. Bottom or top?
Put it sideways, like long ways, like you got it. Long. Both sides.
This one is more heavier. I need the other one. Okay. One,
Get both sides, hon.
two,
Long ways.
perfect. And let it cook. We'll be back whenever it's done.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. So the burritos are done. Are you ready to look? Are you ready to see it? Here we go. Tell me what you think with your own eyes, ladies and gentlemen. There they are.
You still can't put what's wrong with it.
One bite. Here, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Here's yours. Goodbye. Delicious, isn't it? All right, guys, so you saw there, the burritos are done. Now, it's time to eat supper. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for watching the cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. This is your boy, Jesse the Jackhammer, professional wrestler, professional actor. And you saw Shannon, you saw Rui helping me. Now, I will give you a view of mine. Watch. There's Rui, and there's Jay. Alright guys, so there you go. So this is the end of the cooking show. I want to say thank you all for watching this cooking show on the Mitchell Family Reality Show TV. Till next time, see you later.
Hey. Nah, well, hold up now. Alright, listen. Now, I'm gonna fix this, alright? It's alright. I'm gonna take care of this. Look, I just get these late night feelings, and I just gotta call you, you know what I'm saying? But let me talk about it, come on. Reminiscing on conversations I having with you. We was talking about past relations and having issues. And it's funny how we set the boat and hit the show. The CV pulling on us like a tug of war. Last week I got a call from your distant cousin. She was asking about you and why we always fussing. I told her things better if they left alone. 3 o'clock in the morning, we talking on the phone. I said I was tired so I can have some peace. Resisting from fighting so I just had to cease. And as I hung up, I started thinking about you. Feeling lost in myself, here I am without you. It's crazy how feelings can get the best of ya. Cause my brain is the carrier, hustle messenger. Laying in bed, steady wishing and steady missing. It's all in my head and my mind be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know that I be reminiscing. I know, reminiscing, reminiscing, yeah, something missing. Reminiscing, 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 something missing. Turn on my TV, all I see is loving couples. Thinking it's me and you, blinking I'm seeing doubles. Never felt this way before. All the feelings in my head, but they still come aboard. My mind's playing tricks and I ain't talking cereal. It's serious, but it feels just like a miracle. Sometimes I wonder if you ever feel the same. I start to call, but somehow I just refrain. Cause if I call, then I have to have a reason. It's 4 AM and I know you're probably sleeping. I press the numbers inside of my telephone screen. Is this real or is this another wet dream? I don't wanna wake you, so I left a message. Dear princess, from my lost adolescence, I know you probably feeling something is missing. 4 AM, I'm still reminiscing. I know that I've